Retailing overall is among the industries most disrupted by information technology. How is Home Depot adapting its business model?
So it's really two things. I would say the internet does a number of things to retailers. The first thing is there's sort of a general rule that software eats hardware, and so the retailer's selling the hardware, and the software is very disruptive. Think books and CDs and DVDs and things like that. Not so much an issue for us. You can't digitize drywall. On the other hand, the expectation of our customer has increased. So when you have the alternative of ordering something from your home and having it delivered to you, your expectation of the experience in our store or any retail store, when you take the time to get into your car, drive to us, is going up. Day over day, week over week, month over month. We know we can't afford dirty stores, rude associates, and out of stocks. And so our whole strategy is how do we make that a great experience for our customers as they come into our store.
You do over 1 billion transactions a year, I think. You have an enormous quantity of data. How do you get maximum value out of that, all that data?
So I would tell you, to be honest, we're in pretty early innings of that. We're only recently kind of finishing building out our data warehouse, and if you did a comparison probably versus other retailers, we do less than other retailers. We've been in the past more oriented to in-stock and mass merchandising.
But you have, I gather, bought a small firm, an analytics firm called Black Locus. Is that
right.
the next step?
So understanding that this is something that data and the use of data will be a competitive necessity and advantage going forward, we've done a number of things. First, invested just in our basic IT infrastructure, but as you mentioned, bought a company in Texas that's math PhDs that does analytics around particularly internet pricing. So if you, just to your point of how massive the data set is there, you can't, I mean, we used to do, send people out with a yellow pad into competitors. You can't do that when you're thinking about competing with the likes of Amazon. You need more sophisticated algorithms and mathematics, and that's why we bought the company.
I was intrigued to see that you have an app that it lets people go into the store and, I gather, say into their phone the name of what they're looking for, and the app will direct them in the store to where the item is.
Yeah. No, the most common question for our customers is where is it? So you download our app, and we have mapped every single store, so we know by product what its bay location is, and you can just say where are mailboxes, and it will tell you aisle 17, bay C. So it's very popular even among our associates as well. Our associates use it a lot as well.